This is how you go from 10 push-ups to 100 push-ups with one secret method that nobody's going to tell you. You keep doing lots of push-ups every day and still see no results. But don't worry. After applying this secret method, you'll think of me and say, "Thank you." Now here's the truth. After applying this method, 99% of people will quit in just 3 to 4 days. But the ones who stick with it will see a change in their push-ups that they've never experienced before. And the best part, it's actually quite simple. But before I reveal the method, you need to understand one thing. Don't train like most people do. 5 sets of 15 reps. That won't get you to 80 push-ups in one set. Instead, you need to do fewer sets, but push each one until true failure, where you literally cannot do a single more rep. If you apply this principle, you can go from 10 to 50 plus push-ups in a single set in just 2 months. This secret method is called the ladder push-up method. Start with the hardest push-up variation that you can perform. For example, begin with decline push-ups and go continuously until failure. Then immediately switch to normal push-ups and go until failure. Now shift to incline push-ups and perform until failure. Lastly, move to knee push-ups and continue until failure. Perform this routine 2 to 3 times a day and 3 to 4 times a week. If you're tired of constantly changing your workout routine, then you need to check out Workout Plan. By following plan, you'll be able to achieve skills like the handstand, LS set, front lever, and much more. It's designed to build both strength and mobility, everything you need for real progress. So what are you waiting for?